Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the beneficent. I'm Sir Nazir Awan. Let me welcome you all in my YouTube channel, The Innovative Learning Style. Dear guys and girls, worthy audience, ladies and gentlemen, as we all know that English language is a dream of everybody. And let me tell you that every language of the world is based on tenses. And my today's lecture is based on the corrections of three tenses: present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, and present perfect tense. So let's see them in detail. Dear guys, let's start my today's lecture. Correction of tense in these sentences. Ali go to school every day. This is simple present or present indefinite tense. Let me underline the mistakes. Ali, as we know, is third person singular, and with third person singular, we know the rule of adding s or es to the first form of the verb. So it is incorrect. Ali goes. It must be goes, not go. Ali goes to school every day, and there must be full stop. He not go to school every day. This is a negative sentence. He not go to school every day. It is incorrect. So let's see what is the mistake is in it. We must use here does. He does not go to school every day. Now it is correct. Let's come to the question form. Does he go to school every day? Now if we look its structure is correct. Does he go to school every day? But there is mistakes of some rules in writing. So the first letter is always capital. Does, D must be capital. Does, and this he, pronoun, it must be small. He. Does he go to school every day? And in the last, as it is a question, there must be question mark. Now it is correct. Does he go to school every day? Let me come to the last form of this sentence. Does he goes to school every day? Dear guys, there is a lot of mistakes. So let me rewrite it. Does. The first mistake, first letter must be capital. Does he not go to school every day? And in the end there must be full stop. Does he not go to school every day? Dear students, now let us see Correction of tense. This is present continuous tense. Ali going to school. Let's see the mistake. Ali. Helping verb is missing. Ali is going to school. There must be full stop. Now this is correct. Ali is going to school. Let us come to the next sentence. He not going to school. Again, helping verb is missing. He is not going to school and there must be full stop. Now it is correct. Let me come to its question form. Is he going to school? Now its structure is correct, but some rules are missing. As we know, first letter is always capital. Is he going to school? And in the end, there must be question mark. Now this is correct. Is he going to school? Let me come to the last form. Is he going not to school? This is also incorrect. This not must come before the verb. Let me rewrite it. Is he not going to school? And as it is a question form, there must be question mark in the end. Dear students, now let us come to the last tense, the present perfect tense. Let's check. Ali have gone to school. Now rules tell us that it is incorrect. Ali has gone to school and full stop. Now it is correct. Because we know the rules. We know has is used with Ali, that is the third person. Ali has gone to school. Let me come to its negative form. He have gone not to school. Again, it is incorrect. He has not gone to school. Now this is correct. Let me come to its question form. Has he gone to school? Now its structure is correct, but still some rules are missing. So let me correct these mistakes. As we know, first letter is always capital. Has he gone to school? And there must be full stop in the end as it is a question form. Has he gone to school? Now it is correct. Let me come to the last form, the fourth form. Has he not go to school? Again, there is a mistake. Now this time the mistake is of the verb, the form of the verb. There must be third form, not the first one. Gone. Has he not gone to school? And in the end there must be full stop. Now it is correct. Have you not gone to school? Dear guys, I hope you might have learned these three tenses in a better way. Even then, if you have some problem, please send me such sort of exercises in my WhatsApp number. I shall help you. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz, take care.